Hey everyone! In this 2025 QuickBooks guide, I'll show you how to change or customize your email templates. Perfect for invoices, estimates, and reminders. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the left menu, click Settings. That's the gear icon in the top right corner. Under your company, select Custom Form Styles. Next, click the Email tab at the top. Here, you'll see the default message templates for invoices, estimates, and other forms. To edit one, click inside the message box and type your custom message. For example, you can add your company name, thank you notes, or payment details. If you want to use different templates for each form, click New Style. Choose Invoice, then edit the email section the same way. Once done, click Done or save and close to apply your changes. And that's it. You've just customized your QuickBooks Online email templates for 2025, making your messages look professional and personal.